Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong December love reading. So if you are interested in your love life ngayong December, maaari kayong maka-resonate dito. But of course, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Ayan. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. So for you Pisces, ito yung sample ng inyong bracelet. Ayan. Perfect pang regalo and also for personal use. Naka 20% discount tayo hanggang December 20, 2023. So take advantage yun na yan. Okay, Pisces, let us see. What are your energies for your love life? Ngayong December, energies ng love life ng mga Pisces ngayong December. Nine of Coins. Knight of Wands. Nako, parang ano. Some of you Pisces, practical kayo when it comes to relationships. Okay? You want excitement, gusto nyo very fiery yung relationship, yung connection. But at the same time, gusto nyo rin na you are in control of your life or of the relationship. You may be dealing with a Capricorn or an Aries. Oo. Alam mo yung tipong masaya ka na you are being loved or you are wanted by people, no? Romantically. But I'm sensing detachment. So pwedeng hindi ka rin ganun ka attached sa isang romantic connection ngayon kahit na merong connection. Vernal equinox, dark to light. Oh, this is somehow clarity. In a few days, you will realize if this is what you really want, no? Ngayong December, may realize mo kung itong klaseng connection na to ang gusto mo. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, you may be dealing with a toxic relationship or yung iba sa inyo nasa unhealthy connection, no? Pwedeng nasa third party situation. And for you, inisip mo, hindi ka naman ganun kaseryoso. So, okay lang, no? Kahit laro-laro lang, no? Just for fun. Kaya lang, ngayong December, you will also realize yung impact sa'yo ng relationship na to. Kasi minsan, akala natin, hindi tayo naaapektuhan. Like, this is just for fun, ganyan. Pero, somehow, no? Minsan, di natin napapansin, na-fall na pala tayo doon sa person na yun. And eventually, pag nagka-problema, or it's time to let things go, let the connection go, nahihirapan na tayo, hindi na natin ma-release, hindi na natin ma-let go kasi na-trap na tayo doon, diba? So, you have the Queen of Cups and the Queen of Coins. Dalawang energies ng feminine dito. So, I think itong connection na to ay, related sa mga, you may be connecting with a water sign, kapareho nyo na Pisces, no? Cancer or Scorpio, and an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Meron din ditong Aries. I also see a, same-sex connection, same gender, na relationship. You have the World card. Yeah. Ngayong December, you may be ending a chapter of your life in terms of your relationship. Especially kung sa tingin mo, wala ka ng plans na i-grow pa yung relationship or yung connection. See, you have the Moon, which is subconscious. Maari kasing meron kang mga hindi pinapakita or hindi ini-express na emotions dito sa relationship na to because you want to protect yourself. Gusto mong protectionin yung sarili mo. You don't wanna get hurt. 'Di ba? New moon, you are manifesting your desires. This is also a new beginning for you. Um, Ngayong December, i-reassess mo yung connection mo if ipagpapatuloy mo pa siya sa susunod na taon. And some of you, maaring you might be letting go or ending this connection ngayong December. Lalo na kung hindi ka naman ganun kaseryoso sa relationship na to. Lalo na if you are connecting with someone na may yung mga third party situation. Pwede kasing hindi ka na fulfilled or kontento sa ganong klaseng setup. Let us see what else. Wallflower, limited potential. See? So parang itong connection na to, limited yung growth niya. Pwedeng wala siyang masyadong potential na maging seryoso na relationship. Oh my God, see? Oh my God, confirmation. Crowded relationship. Kanina ko pa sinasabi yung third party tapos triangle. Ito yung tipong yung iba sa inyo, parang okay lang na ganito, nasa third party kayo, or pwedeng kayo yung third person sa relationship. Tapos okay lang kayo kasi you think that you're just having fun. Kaya lang, you will reassess na kung okay ba sa'yo na ganun yung sitwasyon mo ngayon. Kasi pwedeng hindi ka napapansin or hindi na ibibigay sa'yo yung dinideserve mo sa relationship. Alam mo yun? Like a wallflower na parang reserba, ganyan. You want to value yourself. Kasi alam mo yung worth mo. You're a true gem. You are valuable. So, ngayong December, you will realize na pwedeng hindi ka na magpapatuloy sa ganitong klaseng setup. Kasi hindi mo din i-deserve yun, no? Na tipong, kung kailan lang available tong taong to. Our inner children are crying out right now. We both need to comfort them and become the parents. So, some of you, pwede kasing meron kayong childhood trauma when it comes to relationship. Kaya parang yung pagkakaroon ng commitment, iniiwasan nyo rin. But at the same time, you are realizing na you want a stable connection. You want a stable relationship. I'll contact you when I'm able to. Right now, my life is too complicated to bring you into it. But know that I do want to talk to you. So, ito na nga. Parang this person, you might be dealing with a person na lagi ka na lang pinaghihintay or alam mo na kung kailan lang siya available. I feel your energy around me and I wonder, are you thinking of me too? See? Pwedeng laging ganun iniisip mo kung itong person ba na to, iniisip ka rin ba niya, may halaga ka ba sa kanya. So there's going to be a lot of clarity for you ngayong December in terms of a connection na you are in right now, especially if this is a third party situation. Okay? Or complicated na relationship. So, this is your reading, Pisces. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Pisces. See you again.